Stop wasting your money on Udemy. Here's how you can get up to a 90% discount on all Udemy courses. Heads up, this information is heavy, so you might need a helmet. So this means I can get a course that originally cost 24,900 naira for just 2,900 naira. How cool is that? What's up guys, it's Victor here again. In this very short video, I will show you how you can get up to a 90% discount on all courses on Udemy. Udemy is priced per course with prices ranging from $9 to $200 or 2,000 naira to even 150,000 naira. Prices are determined by the instructor of the course. Both Udemy and the instructor can offer discounts on a course at any given time. Now, the problem is that there might not be a discount when you are finally ready to purchase a course. But this is how to claim your discount whether or not there is an active discount on the course at that particular time. Go to the course you want a discount on, copy the course URL. You will need it later. Click your profile picture at the top right and select help at the bottom. Then select learning with Udemy FAQ. On the sidebar, select contact us. Select students. On the second input field, select payments, purchases, charges, and receipts. What type of question do you have? Select issue or question regarding a charge. What problem are you experiencing? Select I found a lower price. Then click continue to contact form. Now paste the contact URL you copied earlier on here. In the next field, simply write a simple request like this. Please, can I get a discount on this course? Thank you. You will be sent an email acknowledging the receipt of your request, and after some time, you will get another email with a promo code and details of how to apply it and redeem the discount. In my case, I was contacted via live chat and they gave me a code almost instantly. Now, with your coupon code, you need to go back to the course, add the course to your cart and insert the coupon code in the appropriate field and press apply. You'll see that we can get a course that was originally 24,900 naira for just 2,900 naira. Crazy. It is in fact important to note that some instructors have opted out of Udemy promotions, so not every course is eligible for this deal and your discount code might not work on some certain courses. Very few of them though. Also, discount codes can only be redeemed at udemy.com website and cannot be used on the mobile app. So you can either access their website through a browser on your phone or on your laptop to redeem your code and get this discount. You can't do this on their mobile app. Another thing to note is that your Naira card will not work. You will need to use a dollar card. If you don't have a domiciliary account or a dollar card, then you can get a virtual dollar card from services like Cheaper or Payday. So this is how I'm able to get discounts on every course that I've been buying. Like and share this video if it was helpful, and don't hesitate to subscribe for more videos like this. Also check out the other videos on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you when I see you in the next one. Bye.